Watfer Constructions meets Coorparoo class in this extensive renovation of a home originally built in 1945. This is the home before renovation commenced. Brazen posts to allow the creation of an entirely new lower level. Watfer recognised the strengths of the original design. Then, keeping the old and blending the new, they added more space and functionality, both inside and out, to meet the needs of a modern family. The vinyl design helps the house hold on to its original charm, including the existing windows, with the upstairs layout unchanged. To further enhance the look, thin wooden slats were added vertically and precisely placed all around the second story of the house. You don't often see this. The completed renovation looks like a show home. You walk into a light-filled entrance with walls of windows, showing off the modern, open-plan living, dining and kitchen area. A huge island offers additional seating. The laundry and second pantry are conveniently tucked away just off the kitchen, utilising every small space. It's contemporary, sophisticated, and with the chosen decor, so inviting. This dream of a kitchen opens onto the large outdoor area complete with pool, entertaining area and green space. It's an escape right into your own backyard. Privacy fencing ensures your comfort. Follow the beautifully engineered wooden staircases to the spacious second floor. Every room in the house is functional and has a prestigious feel. Bathrooms are modern and contemporary, utilising space to its maximum. Attention to detail is second to none in every small fixture of the house. The owner's clean and chic decorating complements all aspects of the build. This home gives a charming presence in the street, fitting in with all the other high-class houses in the area. And as the owner would say, it's an award-winning finish. If you want a house to be proud of, Watfer Constructions are not just builders. They are highly skilled artisans who can craft your dream home and enhance your ideas even further. Just give Brett or Jason a call. You won't be disappointed.